Hello, this is intended to be a very short video just showing you how powerful MCPs can be. There are lots of videos on YouTube that spend 20 to 30 minutes explaining them. I think they're way simpler than that and do their simplicity justice. I'm just going to show you a use case that we've done and how simple it is. So we use make.com, which is an automation platform, a lot. And they recently announced that they have got an MCP connection. So you go in, you create your MCP connection, you get your link, and then you go into your chosen large language model. Now, not all of them have MCP yet, but all of them will, trust me. OpenAI haven't got it on ChatGPT Plus, but I have it on good authority that it's coming. So just wait for it. But right now, this is Claude. So you open up your chosen large language model. And then in the case of Claude, you go into your settings, go to integrations, and then I've already put it in, but here's how simple it is. You go add integration, you paste the URL in, give it a name, and that's it, you're done. So it really doesn't need 30-minute videos to explain stuff. But let's go into a new chat. Because I've added the make.com MCP, what I now know is that I can interact with my automation platform, in this case make.com, through a large language model and ask questions. So what are the last three cool Adam Malik wrote? Now you can do this now, but it would just hallucinate and make up some random nonsense. But with an MCP, what it now does is it's got a tool to go into my blog site and retrieve the last three articles, as you can see. So that is correct. And go, okay, great. What tasks should I on? They help me prioritize. Now it does two things. Because I've connected it, again, via an MCP to a Google Calendar, and I have also, with this call, connected it to Asana, my LLM now knows what time I have, how much time I have, what tasks are overdue that I'm on the hook for from Asana, and it gives me this. And these are all correct. This is correct too. I do a retrospective between 4:30 and 5. So now you can see how this is lasting. Let me show you, because in my article, I say MCPs can not only just get data, but they can do things. Therefore, create a tutorial on how to set MCPs on setup, actually like on demand on MCPs on make.com, blah, blah, blah. Can you add this to I don't even have to spell production right. So it now knows that there is a scenario that I've connected it to, which will push that. So in this case, what I've done is I've made sure that I have a check and balance. So I don't always allow, I allow once, and it's gone and done it. Now let me show you. In production, I have got a category called needs review, and this is what it's just pushed in. So it's made up this because I've told it to, and then it's made up this. So that has come directly from this action here. So I hope that shows you how powerful this idea of MCPs can be. Because if you're working inside your LLM, and let's say you're coding inside it, or you're using it to plan or whatever work you're doing, and during the course of doing that work, you need to push or update information from other systems or get information from other systems. So for example, if you're a marketeer and you want to understand how your latest campaign went, in the old world, you'd have to then open Google Analytics or open some dashboard, figure all that out. With MCPs, the possibility is there. You can just type in and say, how did my campaign called this perform? It would go, get the information, come back, give you a nice pretty chart. It does beg the question, what's going to happen to all those SaaS products out there that give you nice pretty dashboards and you spend an age creating those when all you really need is one piece of information? But that's something for another day. So hopefully this just gives you a glimpse of why you should pay attention to this MCP thing. MCP itself is just a protocol. It's not interesting. What is interesting is what it allows you to do. And I hope I've shown you just a glimpse of where this is going to take us. I was hoping to make this shorter, but it's taken 8 minutes. Maybe in the post-edit, I can save you a bit more of your precious time. Thanks again.